Is that a redfish or just a snapper?
He took the mud minnow.
Oh well. No.
Huh?
Grandpa's getting attacked. Airboat. There you go. Don't jump. There it is. Waiting for that stupid jump. Crazy little thing. Got all the bottom with it. That's a big ladyfish. It's a baby redfish. Tiny little red. I just let it sit up there up by the oyster bar.
I swear this thing is in the bear book.
Good job, Dad. The reds are right where they're supposed to be at. That's a good one too, isn't it?
Not one of the dinks.
It's like a 17, 18 incher.
Looks bigger now.
Not a monster.
That's fun. He's not even a keeper.
Yeah. $17 and a half.
Really?
Only half inch short. There's definitely a lot of reds in there. Yep, instant. That's a good one. There's a whole pile of them in there. Everyone's catching fish and this guy comes flying through here. Good God. Couldn't slow down. Literally right when I said you're in the good spot.
Yep.
Like instant. That one's a keeper, right?
He's bigger than the last one.
The last one was 17 and a half. That's a keeper. Nice fish. Nice red.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
My turn.
Get it up there.
Good fish.
Yep. I would say 20.
20 incher.
All right.
Is it a trout or a baby? It's a baby red. Smallest red in the world. That thing tiny.
Yep. Well, at least I got a red.
He dropped it. Oh, he's got it. Hook him. They definitely put up a fight.
Yep.
Crazy little things. That one's not jumping. Maybe hook something different. Is that a trout?
No.
Oh, it's a lady.
Fast.
More redfish bait. That's fine.
Nope.
Oh, spit
Thank
it.
you. Action.
He's not that big, is he?
No.
But we got a pocket of fish because that was instant when it hit the water.
Feel the chop.
Yep, small red.
That's a red.
Little guy. He's only a 15 incher. Well, I think there's a whole pile of them in there, right in that current. You got a mud minnow in there? Pretty little guy. But you can feel the head action a lot better on those small rods, can't you?
Yep.
You can feel all the chop. Little guy. But that's what we're used to catching in here. A million of these little things.
Nice.
It's not even fighting. Oh, it's a big sheep. It's a huge sheepshead. That's what was pecking at it, stealing the shrimp.
That's what probably did it to me too. Drilling with the head. It's a nice sheephead, isn't it?
Yeah. And you're gonna eat that one for dinner tonight with the redfish?
Yeah, if you want to give us the sheepshead, I guess we can do that one. And we've got steaks and stuff cooked tonight.
I bet you that's what was stealing my bait. Big old sheep.
Yeah.
Tiny little redfish.
You got one? There you go.
Oh, nice red.
Big one.
Nice red.
I'm gonna try to get us off of it.
Lost it? No.
Grandpa, you gonna net him?
Oh, where's your line?
On yours.
Real. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'll get it. I'll put off the rocks for you. Not a keeper? It's swimming at you though with the current. Looks like a sheepshead.
That is. Small sheepshead.
Is that a keeper? Yeah, it might be.
Like T-Lo guy. Bloopers.
If you snagged him in the eye, you'd be pissed too.
Swimming around in circles.
Like, I can't see. Pitch it in that dark spot before we get in there. Pitch in that shadow. I wish I could have power poles to stop the boat. You see that, Grandpa? He came right out of that shadow. Nice redfish.
The rocks.
I pitched it right in that cove. Grandpa, look. They're ripping reds out of there. Right next to the boat. Right where they're supposed to be. Talk about a pretty cool sight. Pitching up in a mangrove and pulling reds out. 5 feet from the boat. That's a keeper. Nice fish. Two in a row I just lost. They're like right there. They're literally right behind the boat.
Got a mud minnow on there. I just put on there.
You snagged?
On a rock right there.
Oh, I'm still getting bites. I thought it was gonna be a big one when he grabbed it. He freaking took off and went straight for the trees. Another redfish.